Namaste, friends, and a very happy Diwali to you all. Diwali is a festival of new beginnings and the triumph for good over evil when Lord Rama returns after 14 years of exile upon defeating the demon Ravan. On this auspicious day, we also pray to Lakshmi and Ganesh, the gods of wealth and prosperity. With the gods bestowing their blessing upon us, I would like to wish you all great success in your business this festival season.
We understand the last few months have been challenging for all of us. But now, we are eagerly looking forward to the upcoming festive season and preparing ourselves strongly. And we are going to achieve this in two ways: strong products and exciting offers. For this Diwali, we literally have a product for everyone. From the fully refreshed, power-packed Y series portfolio to the newly launched slim, camera-focused V20 series to the X series with its professional-grade camera capability. Your customers really have plenty to choose from within the Vivo product portfolio. While there is a strong product portfolio for you to sell, we also want to make this festive season extra special by giving you exciting offers. For this Diwali, some of the notable offers from Vivo are: firstly, 0% DBD charges with IDFC Bank and Bajaj Finance. So now you don't have to pay any dealer charges on EMIs availed on Vivo phones by your customers. Secondly, our super hit 101 offer is back this Diwali. I know your customers are going to love this, as owning a brand new Vivo smartphone is going to become even more attractive and exciting. In addition to these two offers, we also have an amazing exchange and upgrade program along with the V Shield offer. Not just this, I would again like to assure you that whichever Vivo phone you sell in India is made in India by another hard-working fellow Indian. So Vivo truly is made in India, by Indians and for Indians.
I want to take this opportunity to also thank you for your continued support. Without you, Vivo wouldn't have scaled the mountains it has today. I hope you are continuing to get the best quality products and services from our side. I assure you that we shall continue to support you by having the same policies for both mainline and online channels, such as same time availability and same products, etc. Let's light the lamp for our prosperous future collectively today. In these trying times, it is essential for each one of you to look after the health and safety of yourselves and your loved ones. Have a very safe Diwali. Love India. Love Vivo.
Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. I hope this festive season brings lots of happiness and prosperity for you and your family.